All right, here's our first lesson. It's called the Tinker Project number 1, Miss Johnson's Question. So it says here in the paragraph that to look at this code shown below, there it is. It says if Miss Johnson were to ask you to describe what happened to an actor when the code is played, what would you tell her? So we got to build this whole chunk of code, watch what happens when it's played, and describe it to her. In your Tinker program, we're going to go to your dashboard and pick the My Projects tab. And then this is your first time on Tinker, I'm guessing. So you have nothing up here for your built projects. So we're going to pick the Create New Project. I should give you a couple of templates to pick from some beginner to intermediate to some more advanced templates. But we want to use the blank template. We want to build this from scratch, build it by ourselves. Pick the blank project. Okay, so here we have on the left of our screens all of our code bricks. Here's the most commonly used ones, kind of sitting out here in the open. It's a bunch of code bricks. Or I could pick just all the event code bricks. There they all are. I can pick all the control code bricks, all the motion code bricks, all those code bricks. Or I can go up here and just X out of this and pick the commonly used ones. Over here is going to be, we're going to write all the code. In this case, it's called a script. Think of it as over here, this is being our stage. This big white canvas is our stage. Here's our actor. There he is. Okay? A little bit small, make it a little bigger. Hover the mouse over the corner, the arrow appears, and drag it a little bit larger. Nice. Actor on a stage, the script. So in other words, we're kind of building our own play in which whatever we have the actor say or do, it'll do it. Okay? This code I do not want. This kind of came along for free. This I'm going to trash can it. Don't want it. Let's build this code. Go back to my worksheet. I gotta build an onStart code brick followed by a point towards left edge code brick. See, they're all kind of plugged in together. They kind of stacked. OnStart comes first. There it is. And the fun part about Tinker is you take your mouse, you click on this code brick once, it should give me a little bit of a definition of the code brick. So OnStart is an event code block that will activate when the start button is clicked. In other words, when you click this little play button over here, this will start the code, start the program, and then this code brick will, of course, start running the program. So let's bring him out, drop it there. Perfect. Next code brick. It says point towards left edge. Here's a point towards mouse pointer, and it's like a purplish color to it. I bet if I go up to it's going to be the motion code brick section. Here's all my movement ones. I can move, go to, glides, rotation, turns, points in the direction, point towards. So there is no point towards left mouse pointer. What do we do? This guy over here, check him out once. Click on it. It says points an actor towards the parameter. And the parameter is a fancy word for saying, we'll call it location for right now. As I can point towards a location of the mouse pointer. Let's try it, see what happens. Drag the mouse thing out, drop it, plug it in. And I want mine to say left edge. This little white zone right here, this I can edit. I can modify it by clicking on it, and here's my parameters. I can point towards the mouse pointer, an edge, a specific edge, left, right, top, bottom, anything on the screen or itself. And I'm going to go towards the left edge. That one's done. Let's go back. Next says a repeat, 18 of them, with a move, 31, and a wait, 0.275. Repeat, move, and wait. Does the order matter, how the bricks put together? Sure it does. What happens is the code's going to repeat is ever inside my repeat block this many times. So first does this first code brick called move 31 pixels, and it's going to wait a little bit, then do it again. Move, wait, do it again. Move, wait, do it again. Repeat, move, wait. Let's try it once. I'm going to go X to find my common code bricks, and chances are it's going to be here. So I'm going to go repeat. I'm going to grab my move. Where's move? There it is. I have to go inside the little brick. Actually, I can go to the bottom, or keep moving the mouse up and it will kind of grab on the inside of it. Plugs right in. And then the wait code brick. And they go inside again, so they go not in the bottom, but inside it'll expand, make room, drop, and connect. I wanted 18 of these repeats. I wanted to move 31 pixels, and I want to wait 0.275 seconds. Okay, that chunk is done. What's next? Next, I got to build a point towards and plug those in. The same procedure over and over again. The whole code is written. Double check it. Check the plan. Does it match? If so, hit play and watch what happens. Okay, there's your first lesson on building a code on Tynker. Hey, good luck.